Alright folks, let's talk straight. Money worries can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, keeping you up at night and stealing your peace. It feels like you're walking on a tightrope with no safety net below. But what if I told you that you could change that? What if you could build a foundation so strong that when life happens, and trust me, life will happen, you're not knocked off your feet, you can. It starts with a simple, powerful plan. Forget the complicated financial jargon and the get-rich-quick nonsense. We're going back to basics, building your financial house on solid rock, not on sand. It all comes down to 4 simple, protective walls. Before we dive in, let me give you the blueprint. Think of this as your quick start checklist to building a fortress around your money. The very first wall you need to build is your safety net. This is your emergency fund. I call this baby step 1. Saving $1,000 as fast as you can. This isn't your full 3 to 6 month emergency fund just yet. This is your starter fund. It's the buffer between you and life's little emergencies. Think about it. What happens when the alternator goes out on your car? Or when the water heater floods your basement? For most people, that means pulling out a credit card and going deeper into debt. But not for you. Not anymore. This $1,000 is for those Murphy's Law moments. If it can go wrong, it will. This money is for emergencies only. A sale on shoes is not an emergency. The new iPhone release is not an emergency. A vacation you forgot to save for is not an emergency. An emergency is an unexpected, urgent event that requires immediate cash. A job loss, a sudden illness, a necessary home repair. So how do you get to $1,000? You need to get intense. This is a sprint, not a marathon. For the next month, you sell stuff. Look around your house. Look around your garage. Look around your attic. You have things you don't need or use. Sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Or have a garage sale. Work extra hours. Deliver pizzas. Drive for a ride-sharing service. Do whatever it takes to stack up that cash quickly. At the same time, you have to cut your lifestyle to the bone. No restaurants, no movies, no unnecessary spending. Every single dollar you can find goes directly into this fund until you hit that $1,000 goal. Let's look at a simple example. You sell a bike for $150. Work 3 extra shifts for $450. Cancel subs for $50. Cut coffee and lunches for $200. Sell electronics for $150. Just like that, you've scraped together $1,000. Keep this money in a separate, basic savings account that is easy to access, but not too easy. You don't want it mixed with your regular checking account where it might get spent by accident. A solid foundation gives you options. It gives you the breathing room to make wise decisions, not desperate ones. It allows you to tell your money what to do, instead of wondering where it all went. This isn't about becoming a math genius or a Wall Street guru. It's about taking control of your own life, one simple step at a time, using common sense. This plan is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're deep in debt or just starting out. It doesn't matter if you make a lot of money or a little. The principles are the same because the goal is the same: security, stability, and peace of mind. We're going to walk through each of these 4 walls, one by one. If you want to win with money, you must have a plan. That plan is called a budget. A budget is not a curse word. It's not a straitjacket designed to keep you from having any fun. A budget is simply you telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. It is the most powerful wealth-building tool on the planet. When you do a written, on-purpose, every dollar budget, you are taking control. You're moving from a passenger to the driver's seat. Give every single dollar a name before the month begins. First, you list all your income for the month, from your main job, your side hustle, and any other source. If your income varies, use the lowest amount you know you can count on. Next, list all your expenses. Start with the 4 walls: food, utilities, shelter, transportation, then everything else. Include insurance, giving, childcare, personal spending, entertainment, and debt payments. Now, subtract expenses from income. The goal is 0. Income minus outgo equals 0. This means every dollar has a job. Some pay rent, some buy groceries, some go to savings, and some are for fun. If money is left over, give it a job. Emergency fund, extra debt payments, or a specific goal. The method I just described is called a zero-based budget, and it is the key to transforming your finances. Many people vaguely track spending. That's like driving while looking in the rearview mirror. A zero-based budget has you looking forward. You are proactive, not reactive, consciously setting priorities. It forces you to face habits and values. You'll spot money leaks fast. The first budget may be a mess. It takes about 3 months. Month 1, learning. Month 2, adjusting. Month 3, in control. You'll feel empowered, find money you didn't know you had, and give yourself permission to spend on purpose. Use paper, a spreadsheet, or an app like EveryDollar. The tool matters less than the habit. If married, meet monthly. This isn't set it and forget it. With $300 left, maybe $200 goes to the car loan and $100 to a weekend trip. Shared goals end money fights. That is true financial peace. Now let's talk about the third wall, your credit situation. The world will tell you to worship at the altar of the FICO score. They'll say you need a high credit score to be financially successful. That is a myth. A credit score is not a measure of how well you handle money. It is a measure of how much you love debt. It's an I love debt score. It's based on how much debt you have, how long you've had it, and how well you pay banks. Your goal should be to have no debt, which means eventually no credit score. People ask, how will I rent a car or get a mortgage without a credit score? It's easier than you think. You can get a mortgage via manual underwriting based on income, job history, and savings. You can rent a car with a debit card. Living without a credit score is possible and a sign of true financial health. While paying off debt, know your reports. Pull them yearly and dispute mistakes. Your credit report is a detailed history of borrowing and repayment. Errors are common and can hurt you while you're cleaning up. Pull free reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion at least once a year. Go line by line and dispute errors in writing. You might see a medical bill in collections your insurance was to cover, or a late mark you know you paid on time. These can block approvals during transition. Fixing errors is a critical step in control. Don't play games to raise your score. Focus on paying off debt and correcting errors. Your goal is to become debt-free, not to get a better score. The fourth and final wall you need to erect around your finances is proper insurance. Insurance protects you from financial catastrophe. It's about transferring risk. You pay a small, predictable premium for coverage of large, unpredictable events. Without the right coverage, one bad day can wipe you out. A car wreck, a house fire, a serious diagnosis. Focus on the essentials. Health insurance. A single major event can lead to bankruptcy if you're uninsured. Auto insurance. Don't settle for state minimums. Get proper liability limits. Homeowners insurance. Renters insurance. It's cheap and protects your belongings. Long-term disability insurance protects your greatest asset, your income. Disability is more likely than death in working years. Without it, finances can collapse. Sarah skipped $15 renter's insurance. A fire caused $8,000 in losses. For the price of a few coffees, she could have been made whole. Don't be like Sarah. Get the proper coverage. When we talk about insurance, one of the most important and most misunderstood types is life insurance. If anyone depends on your income, your spouse, your children, or even an aging parent, you need life insurance. Period. It's not selfish. It's an act of love. It covers the mortgage, daily expenses, and future goals like college, without panic. Ignore confusing, expensive products. The solution is simple. Buy level term life insurance. Term is a set period, often 20 or 30 years, covering the years you're raising kids and building wealth. Level means premiums and benefits stay the same. Avoid whole, universal, and variable life. Keep insurance and investments separate. Get 10 to 12x your income. If you make $60,000, aim for $600,000. A healthy 30-year-old can get 20-year coverage for around $30 a month. That peace of mind is worth it. Don't put this off. Get quotes today. We've covered a lot, but it all boils down to taking action. Building these 4 walls, a starter emergency fund, A monthly budget, a clean credit history, and proper insurance is a hands-on project. Overwhelm becomes control, stress becomes peace. But it only happens if you start. Right now. Move $25, then $50, then $100. Label a separate savings account, emergency fund. Schedule your first budget within 48 hours. Don't make it perfect, just start. Pull your free credit reports. Set aside an hour to read and dispute errors. Do a rapid insurance checkup. If there's a gap, get one quote today. These simple moves put you back in the driver's seat. These are 4 interconnected walls. Together, they form a fortress of financial security. I've thrown a lot at you, but here's a simple path forward. Don't get paralyzed. Progress, not perfection. Winning with money is 80% behavior, 20% head knowledge. Change your habits one small choice at a time. The journey is a marathon made of many short sprints. Print this. Put it on your fridge. Start checking boxes. 1. Starter emergency fund. Your immediate goal is $1,000. Sell something. Work extra. Cut spending. Keep it in a separate savings account. Do not touch it except for a true emergency. 2. Written monthly budget. Create a zero-based budget. Give every dollar a name before the month begins. Use any tool. Do it every month. 3. Credit report review. Pull free reports from all 3 bureaus. Read carefully. Dispute all errors. Aim for awareness and accuracy. 4. Insurance coverage check. Confirm health, auto, home or renters, and term life if someone depends on your income. Get quotes for any gaps. These 4 moves are the beginning, the foundation for a debt-free life, and eventually, incredible wealth. It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. It will require sacrifice, discipline, intentionality, but it is worth it. The peace of mind of being in control, prepared for emergencies, and protecting your family is priceless. You can do this. The power to change your family tree and build a legacy is in your hands. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Take that first step. Let's get to work and build you a foundation that will last a lifetime.